Without the answer, you turn to classmates. So problem number 1. Walang masabi pa. Joe had walked halfway from home to school and realized he was late. He ran the rest of the way to school. He ran 3 times as fast as he walked. Joe took 6 minutes to walk halfway to school. So, question is, how many minutes did it take Joe to get from home to school? So, recognize that the speed is directly proportional to the distance covered in a given time. So, since Joe that ran 3 times, so 1/3. 3 times as fast as he walked, so he ran a third of the distance he walked. So calculate time it took run the rest of the way since it took 6 minutes to walk halfway, so it will take 1/3 of 6. Okay, 6 minutes what? So 613 equals 2 minutes. So add the time it took to walk and it took to run to find the total time. So 6 plus 2. So 6 minutes, 6 minutes is only ang katong iyang distance. So 1/3 is gikan niya sa katong 3 times siya nga 1. But katong in 3 times as fast as you. So 6 plus 2 equals 8 minutes. So answer number 1, ang nasa ito itong choices. Answer is 8 minutes. So therefore, it took 8 minutes to get from home to school. Ano siya ang answer sa number 1. Then problem number